Alright guys, well you see what we're dealing with today. We got some snow flying. We're forecast to get between 5 to 8 inches. And it's these real big flakes that's probably going to accumulate pretty fast. One thing is, it is not cold. It's like right at the freezing mark, and it's not windy. So it does feel pretty nice. So I'm just walking down here. I got some chores to do here. And probably going to be plowing some snow today. I want to try the 395 without the tire chains first off and see how it does without the tire chains. And the other reason, I don't have enough bungees to put them on even if I want to do it. So just a couple random things today, a couple different activities. So I'll get back with you here in a second. All right, guys, not so good without tire chains. Definitely should have tire chains on. Couple different reasons why this isn't the best right now. There's no weight on the back, and if it's a little front heavy, you're going to spin quicker. The second reason is there's about a ½ inch layer of ice on everything, and it's all right on the level, but as soon as you try to go up the hill, it doesn't work. I had to like go over off the road onto the embankment to get the one wheel in the grassier area and just hold the opposite brake, and I crawled up it. It's two-wheel drive fun. I've experienced that quite a bit. I do have these tire chains here. I did show them in other videos. These came with the tractor. I'm hoping they are for this tractor for sure. They seem a little bit big, but we're gonna put these on. I don't have any extra bungees. I'm gonna have to pick up some bungees to tighten up the sides. So for today, what I'm probably going to look into doing is maybe just like a ratchet strap across, just something to help hold them on. The only thing is, I'm probably not gonna do any plowing until this snow stops, because it is supposed to go until about 6 o'clock tonight, and like I said, we're supposed to get about 8 inches. You can see now that the flakes are a lot smaller than it was in the first part of this video, and it actually at one point was kind of a sleet type of material. So just had to bring my trash cans to the end of the driveway. Monday is trash day, and I can't burn everything here, so I have to have the trash pickup. Being out in the open, out in the weather, no cab, no heater, exposed to the elements. So whatever. That roof being on there probably won't amount to a whole lot, being out in the snow, but hey, it is what it is for now. For what I paid for this thing, you probably couldn't have even bought a lawn and garden tractor with a snowblower, so I'm pretty happy with it yet. So all right, guys, if I do get out tonight and do go plow some snow, I will try to bring the camera with. I will try to mount it somewhere on myself, on my head or on my chest, and try to get some snow plowing action and see what happens. So I guess this we're all in this clip, so I'll come back with you. Hey guys, still snowing here. I don't know, I'd say it's about 6 inches of snow. Probably what I'm about to do is totally unnecessary. But I'm gonna get this tractor out and play in the snow for a little bit. Have a little bit of fun. I don't know if I should, well, I don't know if I should or not. It's like rain mixed in with it now. And sometimes if you clear the snow away and you let it rain and freeze, you're gonna have a worse situation than if you just left it go. But yeah, what the heck, have a little fun. It is ice underneath. I did slip and fall already, so maybe getting the snow away, the ice will melt. So it pretty well occurred to me that I've never really done any nighttime videos here on the farm. And you can see down in my shop, the lights are working. Got the high beams on the 395, but there's probably a real good reason why I don't do any nighttime videos. If I shut this off, that's all you can see. It's dark down here. No electricity. I know I've said it a bunch of times. I can get it down here. And maybe one of these days I will stop crying about it and finally get it done. So, yeah, let's push some snow. just for some fun. I really hope this doesn't turn into one of these ice storms, because it's like 33 now, and the snow is kind of mixed in with rain. And the rain that is, the drops that are on the side of the building, they did freeze already, and we are supposed to go down into the 20s, so we got another hour of this rain, whatever this rain is. We'll see. I don't know, it's not an emergency either way, but I don't really have to do this, but I want to go out and play a little bit. Let's get into it. I can't find my strap for the camera, so I'll just have to see what I can get and what I can't. Alright, so you see what I was talking about with your front headlights, not having any lights off to the side. They just shine right on your loader bucket, so if you're driving with the bucket up, that's all you can see. If you put it down, then you have some visibility. So, right now I really wish the canopy was overhead. I really wish I had that canopy because it is raining right now. That would make a huge difference in keeping me dry because it's not windy. So we'll try to get that on as soon as possible, and some side lights. Yeah, I think we're going to call it quits here very shortly. It's pouring down rain right now. Filming one-handed here, operating one-handed. I guess it's gonna be done. Motor's still a little squeaky. I'm not gonna lose any sleep over that. It actually feels like it's warming up quite a bit. Yeah, there's no snow anymore. It's just rain. It's pouring. I'm just sitting out here in the open right now. Alright, I'm going to end it here, guys. I'm going to put this away. I just want to get a place cleared, basically, for the mailman to turn around. The post office is very nice, but when they don't have an area to turn around, they will not deliver the mail. He'll take the time to drive all the way back here and basically back all the way out and not deliver the mail because the driveway's clear. So to get that done anyway, and my camera's getting soaked and it started pouring even harder, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright guys, back here in the shed. It is amazing how this weather just changed from snowing almost to like a blizzard, and now it is warmed up and it is pouring down rain. I mean, you can see the tractor soaking wet. You can see my breath. So it's getting like foggy out now, so I don't know. Pennsylvania weather. So I just thought of something. I never tried these LED lights on this get some light here on that Farmall Super C. So since the battery's still in there, I want to see how those LED lights work, so let's get into that. Alright, so I got the battery hooked up. Let's just check these things out. That's nice. I tell you what, for wow. These lights on this tractor were a purchase from Amazon, actually. I got 4 of them for $27 and was skeptical. And this is the brightest that this Farmall Super C has ever been in its lifetime. I put the same set on the Farmall 560, and I have a whole bunch on the back of the 986 and the 685. I mean, at nighttime, that is really impressive for the price. Oh. So anyway, I guess I'll end the video here. Just a couple random things today. It's raining just like a summer rain shower right now. So let's see, right there would make a good picture for Instagram. Anyway, all right, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.